Hi everyone, I'd like to start this week by sharing some positive news from Georgetown, where a vibrant new community green space has been created between Chapel Row and Chapel Banks. Following concerns raised by local residents about antisocial behaviour in the area, our Park Ward councillors, Councillor Louise Minette-Vokes and Councillor Clive Jones, as well as the council's biodiversity team, work closely with the community to transform the space into something really special. With support from the Shared Prosperity Fund, the area has been redesigned to improve safety while creating a welcoming place for nature, families and the wider community. The site now includes a new pathway, seating areas, wildlife habitats, educational signage and interactive play features for children, including nature discovery points and wooden sculptures. There's also a community orchard with fruit trees that will provide free seasonal produce for residents in the future. Early feedback from the community has been fantastic, and it's great to see people already enjoying the space with their families. Projects like this show how we can work together to create greener, safer and more positive places for everyone. I also want to highlight an upcoming carers event taking place in the Town Centre Hub on Wednesday the 18th of March between 10 AM and 2 PM. This event is all about supporting unpaid carers in our community, providing information on available services, offering helpful advice and giving carers the opportunity to share their experiences and priorities. A number of organisations involved in the Merthyr Tudful Unpaid Carers Partnership will be there on the day to showcase the support they offer, and there will be free refreshments available. Most importantly, it's an opportunity for carers to have their voices heard and help shape future support locally. And finally, I'd like to encourage residents to get involved in the Big Taff Trade Cleanup 2026, taking place on Tuesday the 24th of March between 9:30 AM and 12:30 PM. The cleanup will cover 10 sections of the trail from Pond Stick to Quaker's Yard, and volunteers can choose the areas they prefer to help with. Last year's event saw fantastic support from the community, and we're hoping to see the same again this year as we work together to keep this important walking and cycling route clean and welcoming for everyone. If you'd like to take part, you can register online via the link on the Council's website. As always, thank you to everyone who continues to support our communities and the work happening across the county borough. I'll see you all again next week. Have a great weekend and good luck to Wales on Saturday against Italy. Diolch.